It's Joe Andrews for Josh Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a Pallipalayalam chicken. Everybody says Indian cooking is so tough. There are a lot of spices to be added to make this dish. But this one, it's a very simple dish. Just we add turmeric. That's it, as a powder. But the flavor is beautiful. So don't waste time. Let's move to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen.
This recipe serves 2 to 3 guests. We need 750 grams of bone-in chicken cut into small pieces. Add just enough salt. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Combine well and set it aside for 30 minutes. 6 pieces of garlic. A small piece of ginger. A piece of green chili. Crush it and set it aside. We need half cup of coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Red chilies cut into small pieces like this. 14 pieces. A few curry leaves. This tempering is very important for this curry. Add 300 grams of sliced shallots. Saute it for a minute. Add 100 grams of coconut. Saute it for 3 minutes. Keep the onions to the sides so all the oil is on the center. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seed. The crushed ginger and garlic to the center and saute for 2 minutes. Mix everything together. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and the chicken we marinated. Saute it and cook for 3 minutes. Add few cilantro chopped and saute for another 3 more minutes. Add 1/4 cup of water. Don't add too much of water. Stir it, cover it and cook the chicken. In between, don't miss out to give a good stir. The red chili releases its color and the spiciness. Now the color of the curry is red. Rest for 30 to 45 minutes.
This juicy chicken is so good. Wow. Beautiful flavors. Just enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to give me support by subscribing my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.